You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 5/11. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 2 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 5/22. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 5/11.